Again, this is for your visualization of the V speaker and the V mic pathway. You don't have to do anything about it. Just minimize it. And this is the interface for TerpMate for Windows. Okay, first things first, make sure that you select the right microphone, either system audio or the microphone of your computer. So I'm going to illustrate here something different from Mac is that we have MS Offline engine here. This is leveraging on Microsoft Windows 11 live captions functionality. So basically it is showing the live captions and it's based on that. So I can have this supports also the English Mandarin, so I can turn it on if I want to use the auto. But let's say I'm going to use my microphone input for now, and we're gonna see the Microsoft live captions. So our program is automatically doing some operations, as you can see from the screen. Don't try to meddle with it. All right, just leave it on, and once it is done, the text will show up on the screen. You may notice that when I'm using the MS Offline engine, there is no audio volume jumping up and down here. So this is because it's going through the Microsoft. Microsoft live captions is not going through our system or our ASI engine to do the recognition. You can also sometimes you need troubleshooting to show the live captions here. So this is the original window of the live captions. You need to download the right languages if you haven't done so. So follow the instructions here by clicking on this to set up the Windows live captions first, and then you're able to use this for the TerpMate Windows. And many of you may ask, why, if I already have the Windows live caption, why do I need to use TerpMate? And the answer is that you will have the glossary list that you can refer to that give you the live prompt. You can have the force replacement list, and you can have a lot of other functionalities, and the whole interface is going to be very neat, right? So again, you can have the real-time translation here, and so you can see how this is working. And again, you have this one-click hide and show up the window. So it doesn't really compete for your attention. When you're interpreting, you can just hide it, and whenever you need it, you just show it up here. So next thing I'm going to show you is the system audio. So let me just stop it here. Okay, and I'm going to show a YouTube video, and so now I'm going to use system audio. All right, not the microphone input, but the system audio, and then we will be able to show you how the video looks like. Again, similarly, it's actually doing something in the background. Don't meddle with it. And now you see it is on. When I'm speaking, nothing is coming out here. So
it seems that every day we're reminded that we live in an era of great power rivalry, that the rules-based order is fading, that the strong can do what they can and the weak must suffer what they must. And this aphorism of Thucydides is presented as inevitable, as the natural logic of international relations reasserting itself. And faced with this logic, there is a strong tendency for countries to go along to get along, to accommodate, to avoid trouble, to hope that compliance will buy safety.
okay, so I stopped the video. As I'm speaking, the microphone input doesn't really work here. So you have the system audio here. And similarly, if you use the twin track recording, it basically have the system audio, which is the Marconi speech if you play the YouTube video, and then this is the interpretation, which is the microphone that I'm using now, and I don't have to do anything, no hardware, no cable, just click record and it will be done. Okay, so thank you very much, enjoy it.